XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and this is what we get. Anyway, after we get this move from here, we mentioned we're looking for the target as 90.99, following by 1.044, because this is what we put at the target. There was a second opportunity to look for buy, which was here, and whoever get the trade, especially from here, they should start to manage. Anyway, we have been looking for the targets and the price tag and even break the previous stop. And whoever get a trade within this range, if they haven't taken in the profit, they need to start to manage it. Then they need to be aware that the price have broken the previous stop, and we want to see whether the price can continue or not the drop. Because in case the price the drop, whoever get the trade, they should at least book some profits. All right, now we take out all these things and we want to see what's the next. First, we put this stop in relative to the previous one. If we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence and as well here. All right, one thing I need to highlight here, since we have a divergence, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue. It can, but we need to see the confirmation. If we get the confirmation with the breakout, then we don't need to care about the divergence. We just take the trade and look for continuation. But the only thing says, whoever get the trade, they should at least book some profit. Mostly whoever get the trade within this range. And whoever get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Now we want to see what's the next. And in this case, we start with the daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price almost tagged the previous stop. And how we can look at this? All right, technically, we get this sharp move down, we have the flat. What is the next? Technically, we can expect the price to drop. All right, but what we are not really interested for the drop. We want to see the continuation. But the only thing is we need to, as the we can see the price tag, and right now is consolidating at the top. We don't have the confirmation for continuation. All right. Again, in the view, if we're looking at the technical analysis, we see the flat. We have a sharp move. We need to be aware of the price to drop. And if the price drop, can retest the previous one, even break 0.8. Okay. Then, but if we look at this in the bigger picture, we have this flat. That's why we want to see if this is the start of the up move. All right. Mostly we prefer for the price for continuation rather than the drop, but we need to know about this possibility. That's why if we wants to buy at the top, we need to be quite careful. And if I move to forward chart, this is what I want to highlight here. All right. What we got here, we get this flat. The price tagged the previous top, but it couldn't continue. And what we have based on forward chart, if we put this top in relative to the previous one, we have a divergence. MACD doesn't show us the divergence. Now, what's the next? Whether we should look for buy or not. Again, whoever get the trade within this, they should book some profit because there is a possibility for the price to drop. And for sure, if we get the sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade. It doesn't mean the price have to drop. I say if we get the trade set up for sell, we can look for. Because for me, if I get any trade set up for sell, I prefer to take the trade. But for long terms, we want to see the continuation. Now the question is, since the price haven't broke the previous top, even if we want to look for trade, we need to see the breakout of the buy. We need to see the breakout of the top. Then from there, if we get a trade setup, we look for buy. But right now, what I have here, either the price can give us a deeper correction or drop in terms of the technical analysis. And as I mentioned, if I get any sell setup, this is what I'm looking for. And if I move to forward chart, as we can see the price dropping. Now, what we can expect if we wants to look for sell, if we get any correction of like here, we can look for sell with entry above with the stop loss above the stop. Because if the price drop and retest this low, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. All right. How about if the price it give us a I mean, if we get any sell, if we take the trade with the breakout of this low, the previous low, we have to start to manage it. But right now, we cannot conform with that. The only thing says whoever get the trade, especially from here, they should start to at least. I think mostly they should take out the trade and break even. Right now, we have to see what we get here. We have to wait. We cannot simply buy. But technical analysis tell us if we get the trade Any drop, it can give us a really good trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart, we see what we have here. Even if we wants to look for buy, okay, because right now we cannot confirm whether we should buy or not, whether we should buy or sell. Even if we wants to look for buy, we have to get the correction. Can we put this one in relative to each other? It depends. We cannot confirm. And what we need to know that the price almost at the top. If we wants to buy at the top, we need to see the confirmation of the breakout. But as we can see the price tag and drop down, we should wait and we see what we have here. We don't have any, what we get here, we don't have any trade setup. But if we get any sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us really good trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank